illuminating the path ahead is not only dream, there's also light. Localization trend in automotive lighting accessory is growing rapidly. AES, established in 2003, is an R&D producer, focusing on HID or LED bifocal automotive lighting. It provides development, technology, profit model, franchise and other services in automotive lighting products to the world. AES brand, UPS, APA, fulfills different customer needs. From products to models, everything is the most advanced in this industry. UPS APA provides franchise models of all shop releases for customers. AES provides a complete range of automotive lights products for domestic and foreign customers. AES provides support services for the strategic products of three major international lighting brands, Hella, Osram, and Philips. It also provides OEM products for Tuhu car maintenance platform and installation services for JD.com, Tmall, Tuhu, and other platforms, as well as attracting almost 100,000 car owners for the shops to replace headlights across the country. AES actualizes lens products design and manufacturing independently in 2005. Promoting lens industry localization, always develop every link profoundly from design and development to production and sales. All is based on market demand principle and fulfills drivers' habit. Keep improving and innovating. Only a passionate heart can radiate warmth. The chairman, Tai Li King, leads AES people to keep contributing to industrial advancement, introducing the brand concept and developing products that solve the problems in this industry, generating technology and creating jobs, keep up with the era, and actively adopting new sales methods like e-commerce and live stream. AES has been in the front line of the industry in every opportunity and has survived the test of time. AES chairman Tai Li King establishes the industry, develops the company, gradually creating a friendly ecosystem for the industrial development. He doesn't stop conducting research on futuristic technology to boost upstream and downstream economic development. Only when the industry advances first could the company step further.